and welcome to another episode here at Big Man of Woods. My name's Mark, your online scout leader, helping you enjoy camping more and get outside. Now, I just come back from an amazing camping festival, but sadly, it rained. It rained and rained and rained. And as a seasoned scout leader, I'm kind of used to that, but I did see quite a lot of families there when I got chatting to them, camping for the first time, and they really got a bit of downhearted because of the rain. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to answer this question and help you enjoy camping even when it's raining. So first things first, as always, we're camping in the UK. Always have some decent waterproofs. Don't scrimp and save on this one. Pay a bit of money to get some decent waterproofs. You don't need to pay hundreds on it because the kids are going to grow up, but spend a bit of money on good quality, because when you get cold and wet and your clothes are horrible, everyone just gets grumpy, don't they? And they spoil the whole weekend. So knowing that in your pack you've got waterproofs, whether that's trousers or a top or something, and you can throw it over, knowing that you've got those waterproofs stowed away and you know where they are and you can get them quick, will rescue your wet camping trip. Other tip, I learned this as a scout leader from day one, is do not ever wear jeans camping. And the main reason is because, like I said, it's raining, they get wet, they take ages to dry, and if that's your only clothes you're going to be wearing, guarantee you 4 days, if you're going Friday to Monday, of wet jeans, it's just horrible. They stick there, you can't really walk, you can't really be active wearing jeans. So just put a blanket ban on jeans ever going camping and you'll be fine if it rains. Take away with you a clothes horse or some line to make your own clothesline. You can pin it from tree to tree and peg out your wet clothes and let them dry off during the day. And if it's raining, you're stuck in your tent, bring some camping games. I've done a vlog all about my favorite camping games, such as Uno, Battleships, guess the intro, drawing game, that kind of thing. Watch that vlog and it will give you some more tips on games that you can play at camping. Now, these are a little helpful tips. You can get them from your pet store. It's the training puppy pads. Yeah, you know, the towel that soaks up water and stuff. Stick them at the entrance of your tent, so when you walk in, the muddy shoes and it doesn't go everywhere, it just gets stuck on that little yucky mat. This next item is an amazing camping hack from Big Man in the Woods. Of course it is. The shower cap. Haha! I stole this one, or should I say I acquired this one from my wife. It's not her shower cap, don't worry. But no, we're not going to wear these in the shower. These are really good for sticking on your boots when they're all muddy. Stick the boots in there and the mud doesn't go over in the tent. So get yourself a couple of these shower caps. Pick them up for £1. Another tip is to get a big blue Ikea bag. Other ones are available, but they're to throw in your muddy boots as well, or have a separate one for your clothes. You can throw the clothes in that. Another cool thing to do on a rainy day at camp is colouring in books and making a scrapbook of your camping trips. So putting in those tickets that you've been in, those leaflets. Maybe you've been out for a nature trail and you've picked up some nice leaves. Get your kids to make a scrapbook of the camping trip. I mentioned it earlier on about the training puppy pads to put your muddy towels. If you haven't got that, grab an old towel, an old t-shirt, and stick that down by the door, and then you don't have to worry about those muddy footprints. If you can, and your tent is available, get a tent awning that goes on the front of your tent, like an extension of a porch, but outside. There's a bit of a covered area. You can set up there when it's raining, get some fresh air. You can even cook under there as well, so that's not going in your tent. So even if it's raining, you still get a bit of fresh air. Put your table and chairs out there and just sit and watch Mother Nature and smell that lovely fresh rain. I can smell it now. One more tip before we finish here at Big Man in the Woods. Hot water bottles, they are a lifesaver. Not just for the females for that time of the month, but also for the little ones, and even for me, slipping a hot water bottle in their sleeping bag just to warm it up and cuddle around it. It's a bit like getting a nice teddy bear, isn't it? Cuddling around it and feeling warm and just getting a bit of extra warmth, because no one likes to be cold and grumpy at camp. So my last tip, if it's raining at camping, this isn't a fashion thing. You really think I'm bothered about fashion? No. But flip-flops and Crocs are quite handy. Flip-flops, just got to be careful while you're walking around the campsite, but Crocs are really cool. I even wear them at home while I'm in the garden. They're super quick to dry, same as flip-flops. Even if they're wet, you can just wipe them down with a towel and they dry within seconds, unlike your boots and your shoes and your trainers. They take hours to dry. But with flip-flops and Crocs, you can wear them in the shower, then you don't pick up verrucas and stuff like that as well. But no, they're really good for a wet day, but just be very careful if it does get really slippery and muddy. But yeah, I would recommend wearing Crocs. So there you go, guys, some advice as a scout leader to you. If it's raining at camp, what you can still do to cheer everyone up. Give them some hot chocolate, a cup of tea, you know, home comforts. But those things are physical things that you can do to make your camping trip a little bit more easier if it's raining. If you want some more tips and tricks, watch this playlist about here, and it's about the camping games that I was telling you about. Don't forget, guys, click the big thumbs up on this video if you like it. That'll be great. Share it with all your friends, and don't forget, subscribe to Big Man in the Woods. Click that notification bell, and that will tell you when I upload the next video, which will be next weekend. Until the next time, guys, take care and happy camping. And if you've got any more tips about how to make a better wet camping trip, comment below. I'd love to know. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.